guys, so it's super exciting for me again to be here with Lubna ji, the star of what is coming up, and also the director, जिन्होंने ये बहुत ही बढ़िया सा नाटक हम लोगों के लिए डायरेक्ट किया है. I would like to hear from you guys कि why this subject of redevelopment? What drew you to it? I'll start with you.
No, I think आप शुरुआत करें because it started with him.
Okay.
You see,
Wow.
what is happening is that in Mumbai, especially, and most of other cities, there is this concept of redevelopment, which means that people who are on the margins of the society are rehabilitated in better placement in terms of housing and in terms of infrastructure and things like that. And also, we are in a stage where we are trying to now rebuild a lot of things. So, what we forget when we do that is that we uproot certain people from a certain lifestyle and then package them into what we think is a developed
Good lifestyle.
space and a better lifestyle. But for them, it may not be so.
Wow.
So it's a different perspective of looking at the concept of redevelopment
Wow.
and the idea behind the whole notion of redevelopment, because what is being said, there is also an inherent contradiction within that, because when you are saying we are redeveloping the whole space, are we really giving them a better life, or are we giving them a life which they are not so used to, and we are kind of packaging them into small what's the cages where you live like a caged bird
Wow.
in a one room tenement, and you are on a say 20th floor or 21st floor, and you have a window where the air would come in, but the lifts don't work at times, so you have to climb down and up and all that. And it is a life which they were never used to, in the sense that people who say come from smaller cities to a big city, the migrants, they are coming from open spaces.
Yes.
They are coming from spaces where the air is fresh, the water is available in abundance. It's just that they don't have jobs. So, for in terms of livelihood, they migrate, and the livelihood, the city which is giving them livelihood, doesn't give them the lifestyle they were used to.
Wow.
So it's a very interesting look at the whole
Yeah.
gamut of redevelopment.
Yeah.
Wow. So it is, from what I understand and from what I have read about it, ये ऐसी कहानी है कि जिनको अपने रूरल सेटअप में से, या जैसे आपने कहा कि ओपन फील्ड्स में से उनको अपरूट किया गया है
Yeah.
एंड हैव बीन ब्रॉट टू अ अर्बन एरिया जहाँ पे we think it's a developed
Yes.
place and we think
Yeah, they were living in slums, and they are
okay
used to a certain lifestyle within that
within
slum.
Yeah.
And then suddenly they are told that now these slums will now be redefined, and you'll get flats. Now those flats are small tenements, and
Yes.
within that, how they have to readjust.
Wow.
So the whole idea is that they are being uprooted thrice
Wow.
in the name of development.
Wow.
And but it's a lifestyle which they don't really crib about so much. But the whole idea is that for a lady, the one who is the fulcrum of the society, the one who carries the home, and remember, these slums provide a lot of domestic helps.
Yeah.
The menial workers
Yes.
to us in a big city come from slums.
Yes.
So it's the supply chain of that menial labor
Yeah.
which is required to be there in a big city.
Definitely.
So it's not you wish them away, you can't. So what, but they look bad in the eyes. So if you see, all the big cities now have very huge multi-story buildings
Yes.
and a pocket of slums around.
Yes. Oh wow. What a perspective. This is an amazing
So
perspective.
one has to look at it differently. So the whole idea is to create an awareness about people who are marginalized, people who have very little say in the way they live in a city, but their own aspirations, their own thinking, how they look at this life.
Yes. Wow, it's so amazing. So हम मुंबई के रहने वाले हैं, I
जी.
live in Mumbai, so I completely understand
जी.
your vision of this, because हाँ हमारे भी घर में हेल्प आती है, वो भी आसपास के स्लम से आता है, वो भी अपना गांव छोड़ के
Yes.
you know they have come to live a life here. So how challenging, or what was the most challenging thing for you as a director and for you as an actor to portray this kind of a story on stage?
You see, the challenge is that not so much of a challenge, to be honest, because even in smaller cities now, in B cities, C cities, there are slums which have come around. So that's a very sad reality. So if you go to a city, say like Lucknow or Bhopal or these are state capitals. Forget them. You go to Prayagraj, you go to Varanasi, you go to Sholapur, you'll find a pocket of slums.
Wow.
So these are immigrants coming from various places,
Yeah.
and a lot of issues are coming out of them. But it's a whole. I would say, it's a chain. It's a chain of lot of things.
Definitely.
But our perspective is to just raise a few questions
Yes.
for the audience while entertaining them.
Yes.
So, through this character of a lady, we are trying to create a few and ask a few questions of our society. I'm just trying to make them understand that is it really redevelopment, the way you talk about development,
Wow.
or is it something which one needs to relook at?
Wow. So ये तो हो गई बातें from a director's perspective. You know the serious side of this topic, the serious side of this story, of this situation. पर मैंने ये भी सुना है कि entertainment खूब है इसमें.
It's laugh a minute.
It's a, yes. So मैंने सुना है कि it's a satire. Like
Yes.
आप बहुत ही हंसमुख तरह से you're going to be raising these questions. So in a second I'm going to be hearing from the actor herself, because इन्होंने वापस इसमें बहुत ही धमाल मचाई है. मैंने सुना है कि बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें इसमें होने वाली हैं. And it's a laugh riot, guys. So stay tuned.